Okay, for today's video, we're gonna dismantle this Wyse DX0D for the reason that we're gonna be replacing its flash drive. We're gonna be upgrading it since my cousin will be using it for school purposes. So let's start with removing the screws, these three. So good thing the first one is already loosened, so start with the second one. There we go. Third one. Okay, second one, 2, 3. And we're just gonna snap it in. Then there's 5 screws over here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So same thing, we're just gonna be removing it. I'll try not to block what I'm doing as much as possible. Okay, first one is loosened. Second out. As we speak, actually, the upgrade that we're gonna be doing, I'll be using a Kingston SSD. As we speak, it's on its way. So I'm gonna show that to you as well. Okay, so everything is out. Just gonna think of how we're gonna snap this one out as well. For using this one. Okay, so same thing. You're just gonna be snapping it there, sliding it. Then please take note, be careful of this cord. I think this is for the speaker. Okay, it's out. Let's put it in here. Okay, so here's actually the thing that we're gonna be replacing. This one, the flash drive. Since this only has 16, definitely for school purposes you won't be be able to. 16 gig is not enough. So there's a screw. We need to take that off. Oh, let's splash it. Okay, it's out. Okay, so we're just gonna be sliding this one out. Okay, so the flash drive is out. This one, so it's a 16 gig. So Kingston just arrived, so we'll unpack this. So again, this is the Kingston. It's a 128 gig. Then of course, so here we're gonna be opening the Kingston. So here's the trick. It's a T6 type of screw that you're gonna be using. I was able to remove the first one. So again, it's T6 Torx screw. Okay. Then we're gonna continue removing the other. Yep. So all screws are gone now. again, I had some issues pulling of those screws, so I used the T6 Torx screw, I think that's what they call it, but on some case I used this 1.1 negative type of screw to make it to make the hole much bigger, so I can use this one. So yep, okay, so here's what we need, and then okay, so we'll just basically make this one fit into this gently. Okay, sorry, our place is kind of messy. Okay, was able to fit in. Then we'll try to install an OS, and then I'll give you an update what happens. Moment of truth. And let's see if the yep, booted up, and it detected the Kingston. Well done. Till next time, guys. Bye. Yeah, so the final product, we're able to install Windows 10 to this Wyse XOG. Mission accomplished. Bye.